Hello, everyone. We're done with task 5. So let's go to task 6. And what the task is, we're done with task 4. Let's go to task 5. Please, if you are still new in the channel, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and turn on your notification. Or see, this is task 5, which is optional. The task 5 is optional. So let's go in there. So task 5 asks us to go to the C drive and to the window and go to system 32. This is our explorer. Let's go to the window. Look for the window. This window. The window. Then under the window, that's also you have to go to the windows. The windows. Then after that, we also go to the window to the system 32. So we are here. Window, under the window, windows. So look for system 32. Windows system 32. System 32. Right here. So the next question asks us to go to where. After we do that, asks us to click on Microsoft Azure Recovery. Just do it here. It's open, right? So what next? Open this one. I don't like this. Sorry. Next, after that, you have to click on recovery data. Recovery data here right now. And what next? Recovery data. In the panel, so this starts the recovery data wizard. Okay. On the getting started page on recovery data wizard, ensure that this server, which is VM1 optional, is selected. So let's go there. So this is selected. And what next? So after that, click on next. That's also click on next. Next. And what next? Continue. Click on next. On the select recovery module page, ensure that individual file and folder option is selected. So let's go there and see. Okay, click on next. Individual file and folder is selected. Click on next. And after that, okay, we're here. On the select volume and data page in the selection volume drop down, please select C drive and accept. Okay. C drive. Okay. So what next? You accept the default. That's also accept the default. Accept the default. Then after that, you have to wait like 2 minutes on the browser, on the browse and recovery file page. Know that the letter of the recovery volume and review the table regarding the use of robocopy. Let's start. Okay. Okay. See browse recovery. Okay. Good. Okay. Then what next? Then wait for the mount optional. Until then, that's the file. Okay. Okay. So honest, that is cool. We're done with this. Yeah. Then what next? On the start button, expand the Windows system file. Click command prompt. Yeah. Command prompt. The command prompt. Share. Okay. So he asked us to use this. Copy this. Go to command prompt. After that, what next? Let's run that. Let's see. Okay, it's here. Robust file copy from window. Monday, September 11, time. Okay. Everything was successful. Although this is successful. So what next? Then switch back to recovery data wizard on the browse. Then on modes, when prompt, click yes. Also switch back here. So on modes, then click yes. After that, terminate the remote desktop section. Terminate the remote desktop section. So now we can terminate the remote desktop section. Then the task 5 has been done. Like I said, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notification. Thank you.